Welcome you all. Welcome for Money Maths. So in this video, I would like to give you ECE GATE 2021 Mathematics Part Solutions. So I welcome you all. So those who are not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and like, share your friends. So here, in case of ECE GATE 2021, the first question I would like to solve in a differential equation. Consider the differential equation dy by dx plus x by 1 minus x square into y equal to x into root y. Then the integrating factor of this differential equation is, okay. So the given equation is in the form of dy by dx, which is nothing but x by dy by dx plus x by 1 minus x square into y equal to x root y. So which is called Bernoulli's differential equation. So we have to divide this with root y. Then this is 1 by root y dy by dx plus x by 1 minus x square y by root y is root y equal to x. Now I call root y as some u, then the derivative of this is 1 by 2 root y dy by dx as du by dx. Nothing but 1 by root y dy by dx equal to 2 times du by dx. Now this equation becomes 2 into du by dx plus x by 1 minus x square into u equal to x. So I again rewrite this du by dx plus x by 2 into 1 minus x square into u equal to x by 2. Okay. So this is a linear differential equation in u, which is linear differential equation in u. So then the integrating factor of linear differential equation is e power integral p of x dx. P of x nothing but the coefficient of this part, coefficient of u. So that will be x by 2 into 1 minus x square dx. So here I would like to rewrite this again. For numerator I rewrite as multiplying dividing with minus 2. Multiplying and dividing with minus 2. Because of then it becomes to be, suppose I call as f as 1 minus x square, then f dash is minus 2x. Now integral f dash by f is ln mod f. That's why taken numerator for numerator and denominator as minus 2. Okay. This will be e power minus 1 by 4 ln of 1 minus x square as like using of this formula, and this will be e power ln of 1 minus x square whole power minus 1 by 4. E power ln a is a. This is 1 minus x square whole power minus 1 by 4. So this is the integrating factor. Okay. So nothing but option B is the right answer to us. Okay. So that's the way we can solve this kind of problems. Now we go for next one. So two continuous random variables x and y are related as y equal to 2x plus 3. It's very simple one. Let sigma x square and sigma y square are the variances of x and y. Respectively. Then variances are related as. This is the probability question. So generally expected of ax as a times of expected of x, and variance of ax as a square times of variance of x. Okay. So similarly variance of ax plus by as variance of ax plus by as, okay, a square times variance of x plus b square times variance of y, okay, plus 2 times covariance of 2ab times covariance of a comma b, that's another way, and variance of ax plus b only we take, so this will be a square times variance of x plus this will be 0, okay. So that's why we can write variance of y as variance of 2x plus y, 2x plus 3, sorry, 2x plus 3, this will be 2 square times variance of x. So nothing but 4 times variance of x. So sigma square y equal to 4 times sigma square x. So variance generally denoted by sigma square, okay. So that's why sigma square y is 4 times of sigma square x. So this is also B is the correct answer, okay. Now we go for the vector function f of r is minus xi bar plus yj bar, defined over a circular arc shown in the figure. Then find the line integral, okay. Integral c f bar dot dr bar, okay. So f of r bar is this is, and r bar generally xi bar plus yj bar, dr bar is dxi bar plus dyj bar. Then f bar dot dr bar, the dot product between these two is nothing but minus x dx plus y dy, minus x dx coefficient of I and coefficient of j products, okay. Now we need to find line integral of this f bar dot dr bar. So integral c minus x dx plus y dy. So we need to integrate this over a circular path, okay, and they have given that this is a 1, means that indirectly this is a circle of radius 1 unit, and radius is 1, r is 1, okay, and we need to up to theta equal to 0 to theta equal to 45 degrees only, theta equal to 0 to theta equal to 45. So in case of circle r equal to 1, mod r equal to 1, the polar form of this is x equal to 1 cos theta, r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. Here r is 1, so x equal to cos theta, y equal to sin theta. Dx is derivative of cos is minus sin theta d theta, dy is derivative of sin is cos theta d theta, okay. Now I replace here, I call this as 1, now 1 becomes, so line integral is minus x is cos theta, dx is minus sin theta d theta, y is sin theta, dy is cos theta d theta, okay, and theta is, I already told you that we need to integrating from 0 to 45 degrees, no need to integrate for a whole circle, only up to 45. Now if you observe this, minus into minus is plus, cos theta into sin theta, so this is nothing but 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. 2 sin theta cos theta d theta, you know it, sin 2 theta. Integral sin 2 theta, integral sin, you know it, integral sin is minus cos 2 theta by 2 because of 2 theta, and integrating from 0 to pi by 4, okay. So this is minus cos pi by 2 by substituting upper limit, and minus of minus plus cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0 plus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So answer is 1 by 2, option A is correct. So these 3 are 1 mark questions in case of ECE. Next we go for numerically typed answers, NTA. numerically typed answers, means you need to give answer yourself by solving this. So if the vectors are linearly dependent, then find the value of x. So in that case we can easily solve this. In case of vectors are linearly dependent, then the det is 0. Then the det is 0. Okay. So if I take det of these three vectors, so to find the det, so already I made a video how to find the det of 3 by 3 matrix in a short way. Go through with that if you are unable to know in this procedure. So if I go with that procedure, so I replace third column here, if I replace first column here and taken in crosswise, it's the easiest process to find the det. So I given already a video for this. Those who are not knowing, go through that video. Okay. So the products of this 2 into 7 into 3, 2 into 7 into 3, 2 7s are 14, 14 3s are 42, plus 1 into 3 into 1, 3, plus minus 1 into x into 2, minus 2x, minus of below products, below. Okay. 1 into 7 into minus 1 is minus 7, plus 2 into 3 into 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 3 into x into 1 is 3x. So this will be 45 minus 2x, 7 minus 7 plus 2 is plus 5, minus of this minus 5, minus 3x is 0. The determinant will be 0 because of linearly dependent. The vectors are linearly dependent. Okay. So this will be 40 minus 5x equal to 0, 5x equal to 40, x equal to 40 by 5 is 8. Okay. So the answer is 8. So likewise we have to solve. So in case of linearly dependent, then the determinant will be 0. Okay. To find the determinant, the shortcut procedure, you go through my linear algebra videos if there. Okay. There you have to find it. And here also consider the vector field f equal to ax times 4y minus c1 into z, ay times 4x plus 2y plus az into 2y plus z in a rectangular coordinate system with unit vectors ax, ay, az. If the field f is irrotational, or conservative, then find the constant c1, this constant. Okay. So instead of I bar, j bar, k bar, they given ax, ay, az. Don't worry. And this field is said to be irrotational, then their curl will be 0. Curl f bar is 0. Curl f bar, you know it. I bar, j bar, k bar, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. And the first coordinate we have 4y minus c1z, 4x plus 2y, 2y plus z. And this will be I bar times dou by dou y of this is 2, dou by dou z of this, dou by dou z, this is 2z, sorry, 2z, this is 2, minus j bar times dou by dou x of this, dou by dou x of this, there is no x here, 0, and dou by dou z is minus c1, okay, plus k bar times dou by dou x of this 4 minus dou by dou y of this 4 equal to 0. This is 0, this is 0, j into c1 equal to 0 means that c1 equal to 0. Okay, the coefficient or constant c1 is 0. Okay. Now we go for another problem. A real 2 by 2 non-singular matrix with repeated eigenvalues is given as A equal to this, where x is a real positive number, then the value of x is So if this matrix having repeated eigenvalues, then find the value of x. That's the given problem. Okay. So I would like to write what they given. So a equal to x minus 3, 3, 4. For the eigenvalues, we go by characteristic polynomial determinant of a minus lambda I equal to 0, which is nothing but x minus lambda minus 3, 3, 4 minus lambda. And the determinant of this x minus lambda into 4 minus lambda plus 9 equal to 0. And this is 4x minus lambda x minus 4 lambda plus lambda square plus 9. And this will be lambda square minus x plus 4 from these two, x plus 4 times lambda and remaining 4x plus 9. This is the quadratic equation in lambda. So the roots of this are lambda equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and if the roots are equal, then b square minus 4ac equal to 0. If the roots are equal, then we call it as b square minus 4ac will be 0. Okay. So using that formula, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So b square we have x plus 4 whole square minus 4 into a is 1, c is 4x plus 9. So by solving this, x square plus 16 plus 8x minus 4 4s are 16x, 4 9s are 36. So this is x square minus 8 minus 16 is 8x, and 16 minus 36 is 20. This will be written as x square minus 10x plus 2x minus 20. This is x into x minus 10 plus 2 times x minus 10. This will be x minus 10 into x plus 2. So x is 10 and x is minus 2. And he is saying that x is a real positive number. So real positive is 10. So answer is 10. The real positive number, so answer is 10. Okay. So that is the way we can solve. Okay. So these three are numerically typed answers for GATE ECE. Now we go for 2 marks questions. Okay. So consider the integral c sin x by x square into x square plus 4 dx, where c is a counterclockwise oriented bicircle x minus I equal to 2, then the value of integral is. Okay. Yeah. So the given integral I rewrite as sin x by x square. This will be x plus 2i into x minus 2i. Okay. So therefore x equal to x square equal to 0, x equal to 0, x plus 2i equal to 0, x equal to minus 2i, x minus 2i equal to 0, x equal to 2i. So these three are poles. Now we need to verify which pole is inside the given region. What is the given region? The given region is mod x minus I equal to 2. So mod x minus I equal to 2 is nothing but which is a circle of center I with radius 2. Means that this is 3i, this is minus I. Okay, this is the center. Okay, this is the given region. So x equal to 0 inside, 2i is inside, but minus 2i is outside. So this is outside. X equal to 0 and x equal to 2i are inside. Okay. Now I would like to find residues of these two poles. So residue at x equal to 0 at x equal to 0. So is nothing but limit x tends to 0 x into f of x. Limit x tends to 0 x into sin x by x square into x square plus 4. So x gets cancelled, but when we substitute 0, we will get as 0 by 0 undetermined form. Okay. So we go by L'Hopital rule. We have already done in calculus how to do L'Hopital rule. So go through with that if you want. Derivative of numerator is cos x, and this part is x into x square plus 4 is x cube plus 4x, x cube plus 4x, nothing but 3x square plus 4. Now replacing by 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Now residue at x equal to 2i, limit x tends to 2i, x minus 2i into f of x is sin x by x square into x plus 2i into x minus 2i. This will get cancelled. So this is also 0 by 0 form, and denominator here x cube plus 2ix, x cube plus 2ix. Okay. So x cube plus 2ix. Okay. So not 2i, sorry, not 0 by 0, sorry. So I replace there. So sin 2i by 2i whole cube plus 2i into 2i. Sin 2i by, okay, and this will be 2i cube is, I cube is minus I, 2 cube is 8, minus 8i, this is 4i square, okay, 4i square is minus 4. Oh, sorry, something getting wrong. So this is x square, right? X square. Okay, we will write directly, substitute directly here. 2i square into 2i plus 2i. Sin 2i by 2i square, I square is minus 1, so minus 4 into 2i plus 2i is 4i. Sin 2i by 16i, minus 16i, okay. So the integral of this is by using of residue formula 2 pi I into residue 1 plus residue 2. 2 pi I into residue 1 is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16 into 16i into sin 2i. So this question is wrong, there is no answer for this. Okay, there is no answer. Okay, if you take only one part, this will be the answer. Only one part, okay. Only 2i part, okay. Okay. So this is wrong, answer is wrong. So we'll go by like that. So which are the poles inside the region? We should find the residues of that poles. Residue formula is this. So 2 pi I into sum of the residues gives the total integral. 2 pi I into sum of the residues gives the given total integral. Okay. So that is the way we can solve this kind of problems. Okay. In complex analysis, you may know it. Now we go for a probability question. A box contains the following 3 coins. Option A fair coin with one head and other face is tail. Okay. Second is a coin with 2 heads on both faces. A coin with both tails on 2 faces. Okay. A coin with both tails on 2 faces. A coin is picked randomly from the box and tossed. So out of the 2 remaining coins in the box, one coin then picked and randomly tossed. If the first toss result is head, then find the probability that second is also head. Getting head is in second toss. Okay, second toss. Okay, so suppose I call A equal to the event of getting head. The event of getting head in first toss. Getting head in first toss, and B equal to the event of getting head in second toss. So what we need to find, we already know that if the first toss is head, if the first toss result is head, that already we know it. Okay, then we need to find the second toss is also head. Okay, so means that it is a conditional probability. So A is already we know it. So after happening of A, then we go for happening of B. So the probability of B given A, so it is nothing but by conditional probability, nothing but P of A intersection B or B intersection A by P of A. P of A. Okay. So P of A is, what is P of A? P of A is the event of getting first toss is head. The event of getting first toss is head. So first toss is getting head, only two types of coins will be taking or picking. Okay, only first coin and second coin. In this coin, both face having tail. So if you pick this coin, so we did not get head. That's why we are calculating only these two cases. Means getting coin 1 and getting head from coin 1 by using of multiplication theorem, and getting coin 2 and getting head from coin 2. Okay. Getting coin 1, out of 3 coins we taken coin 1 by 1 by 3 ways, and first coin having one is tail and one is head on the faces. That's why the probability of getting head is 1 by 2, and getting second coin is also 1 by 3 out of 3 coins, and getting head from coin 2, both having head, both face having to head, 2C1 by 2C1. Okay. So this is 1 by 3 times, or 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3. Okay. This will nothing but 3 by 6, nothing but 1 by 2. 3 by 6, nothing but 1 by 2. Okay. Now we go for A intersection B, A intersection B, A intersection B. Okay. So means that the probability of getting heads in both tosses, probability of getting heads in both tosses. Okay, both tosses. Okay. So in that case also, if I take fair coin, case 1, getting coin 1, getting coin first one. Okay. So that will be the probability of that is getting first toss is fair coin, getting first toss is, or getting first toss is coin 1, getting first toss is coin 1. 1 by 3 into 1 by 2, definitely you should get second coin is this, definitely you should get second coin is this. Okay. 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1, or 2 by 2. Getting first coin is, first toss is coin 1, getting first toss is coin 1. Okay. So this will be 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into 2 by 2 is 1 by 2. Case 2, if I take coin 2 first, then go for coin 1, getting coin 2 first and coin 1. This is coin 1 first and coin 2. Okay. So this is coin 2 first, getting is 1 and coin 2, then for coin 1 1 by 3 into 1 by 2, 1 by 3 into 1 by 2, sorry, here 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2. Because of already we taken coin 1, so remaining coins are 2. The probability of getting that is 1 by 2. So this is also 1 by 12. So the probability of A intersection B is 1 by 12 plus 1 by 12. So this is 2 by 12 is 1 by 6. So P of B given A is 1 by 6 by 1 by 2 is 1 by 3. So this is the probability, 1 by 3. Okay. Likewise, we have to solve this. So in case of A intersection B, we should take coin 1, then coin 2. Okay. Here coin 2, then coin 1. Okay. So coin 1 taken 1 by 3 ways and probability of getting head in that 1 by 2. After that, we remove one coin, only 2 coins remain. So in that, second coin will be taken by 1 by 2 ways. Second coin will be taken 1 by 2 ways. Second coin having both sides having heads, both sides. So getting head is 2 by 2. Getting head is 2 by 2, nothing but 1. So the product is this 1 by 2. Case 2, first getting coin 2, then getting coin 1. Getting coin 1. In that case, getting coin 2 is 1 by 3 ways, and probability of getting head is only one way, 2 by 2. 2 by 2. After removing coin 2, removing of coin 2, then getting coin 1. So only 2 coins remains, then getting coin 1 as 1 by 2 ways, and from coin 1 getting head is 1 by 2 ways. So by product of these two, we get 1 by 2. So A intersection B is both cases. 1 by 12 plus 1 by 12 is 2 by 12 is 1 by 6. So A intersection B is 1 by 6, P of A is 1 by 2. So finally we get 1 by 3. That is the answer. Okay. Now we go for last problem in case of EC. So let vector field D is rho into cos square pi A rho plus z square sin square pi A psi in a cylindrical coordinate system R xi z with the unit vectors instead of I j k they are given like this. The net flux of D is leaving the closed surface of the cylinder rho equal to 3 from 0 to rho equal to 3 and z equal to 0 to 2 is, okay. So D is the given rho cos square xi A rho plus z square sin square xi A xi, okay. So we need to find the flux F bar. Flux is integral over S F bar dot ds, okay, of any F bar. Here is D, so I write as D bar dot D sigma or D sigma, okay, or ds, okay, write as ds, okay. And the given region is a cylinder along with z axis z equal to 0, this is z equal to 0 and this is z equal to 2, okay, and this is rho equal to 3, this part, outer part, rho equal to 3, okay, rho equal to 3, okay, and the given that z 0 to 2, so that's why z equal to constant. So generally integral f bar dot ds bar is f bar dot ds bar or d bar dot ds bar is integral over r f bar dot n bar into dx dy by mod n bar dot k bar. Likewise you should take, okay. Likewise you should take, okay. So when z is a constant, then the integral z is a constant, then the perpendicular to that vector n bar is unit vector perpendicular to that unit vector is k bar. Okay, so then that will be 0. The flux will be 0. Integral s over f bar dot ds bar is 0 in the case of z equal to 0 and z equal to 2. Okay, z equal to 0 and z equal to 2. The flux is perpendicular to this plane, so that's why when the taking dot product f bar dot n bar, okay, perpendicular to this, so the dot product will be 0. Unit vector is perpendicular to f bar, so that f bar dot n bar will be 0. Okay, so that's why for the cases of z equal to 0 and z equal to 2, the flux will be 0. Okay, so we have only remains of rho equal to 3 for the region rho equal to 3. Okay, so in that case ds will be taken by rho into dz d pi okay, into a in the side along the path of a row cap. Okay, that's why d bar dot ds bar will take okay, d bar dot ds bar, d bar we have rho cos square pi okay, or psi you can take xi, okay, cos square xi, okay, a rho plus z square sin square psi a psi dot product with rho dz d xi a rho. So these two will be 1, so that will be rho into rho square cos square xi dz d xi, and these two will be 0. So this is d bar dot ds rho square cos square xi dz ds. Okay, so then the flux is integral over s f d bar dot ds, so that will be rho square cos square xi d rho dz dxi. Okay, and z is the region we have, z is varies from z equal to 0 to z equal to 2, and here xi is it's a circle, that's why it's theta to 2 pi, xi is theta to 2 pi, and z they given 0 to 2 already, and rho square is a constant, means rho is 3 square, 0 to 2 pi, cos square pi I keep it same, z integral 1 dz is z, okay, 0 to 2 dz. This is 9, 0 to 2 pi cos square xi 2 minus 0 dz. This is 9 into 2 integral 0 to 2 pi cos square xi I write as 1 plus 2 cos xi by 2 dz. 9 2s are 18. 1 dz is xi, integral cos is sin 2 xi by 2, 0 to 2 pi. This is 1 by 2 pi sin 4 pi 0, sin 0 is 0, okay, that's why total will be. This will be 18 pi. This will be 18 pi. So this is also typed answer question, okay, that's why answer is 18 pi, okay. And you can use the calculator, you will get 2 decimal places, 18 into 3.14, you will get something 56 point something you will get, okay. Using scientific calculator you will get, okay. So these are the questions in case of ECE GATE 2021, okay. So thank you all for listening this video. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my video and please like, share your friends. Thank you all. Thank you.